Cool. Let me show you what progress I did on the game so far. It's not much, but it's honest work. If we go to itch, you will see that right now we have the game in the browser, but also the Windows build that you can download and play locally. And let's start with this. Both of the builds are currently being made by a GitHub action. And now what does this mean is that every time I commit some new code and I'm happy with it, I have this workflow that tells it, take the latest version of my code, compile it, put in some secrets, encrypt it, and then publish it to itch. You can look at the code on my GitHub. And then for actions, what happens is that I can press here where it says build and publish. I have run workflow, and then I can run it from whatever branch I want to. It will go through the build and deploy stages. And once that's done, I'm gonna have a new version on itch. The next step would be to also do the same workflow, but for Steam. But we'll do that next week. So right now, I have the game. If I press run, the game hopefully will start.
1 hour later.
But what's new is that when you press practice, now you're asked for your tag, which you can skip, which means your progress will be saved, but you won't have any leaderboard entry. Or you can type in something like, cool. So I typed in a random name and now press confirm. You see that all levels are currently disabled. You can change the speed at which you play the game. And now this button is unlocked. And if you select the first map and press leaderboard, you're going to see the leaderboard with all the players in their entries. So if we select level and press start, we're going to do a fast run of the first level. You see here that I have a new best time. You see my time that I'm 100% towards gold. My username on the leaderboard with this time. And how far am I from the first place. Yeah, also you have now medals here. So if you have at least one attempt on the map, you will have a medal. And I can change between the scenes. Let's do the next one and let me do a very bad run. And now we have bronze, silver, and gold medals. And that's it. My plans are that I'll start working on the AI training integration thingy this week. And maybe I'll have something done in like 1 or 2 weeks that I can start demoing. We will have a meetup where we will be discussing how to train AIs for the game. And then I'll maybe do a YouTube series for people that didn't have the chance to join in person. So yeah, that's it. See you next time. Bye.